Could we bring the Tasmanian tiger back from extinction? The Tasmanian tiger, once the apex predator of Australia and Tasmania, was declared extinct in 1936. But could this iconic species rise again? With breakthroughs in cloning and genetic engineering, scientists are exploring the possibility of de-extincting the Tasmanian tiger. In this video, we dive into the science behind this groundbreaking effort, the challenges involved, and the ethical questions it raises. Could we really bring the Tasmanian tiger back from extinction? And should we? De-extinction is a complex and ambitious process. To bring back the Tasmanian tiger, scientists first need to sequence its DNA from preserved specimens. With advanced technology, they can edit the DNA of a closely related species, such as the numbat or Tasmanian devil, to recreate the Thylacine's genetic makeup. This process, known as CRISPR gene editing, allows scientists to alter an embryo's DNA to match that of an extinct species. But there's more to it than just piecing together genes. Raising a viable, healthy Tasmanian tiger is still a significant hurdle. Although the technology is advancing, we're still in the early stages of de-extinction. While the genome of the Tasmanian tiger has been fully sequenced, creating a living, breathing thylacine is another story. Recent efforts by projects like the Thylacine Integrated Genomics Restoration aim to overcome these challenges, but the road ahead is long. Cloning large animals, especially marsupials, is more difficult than cloning other species like sheep or horses. Current efforts show promise, but we may still be decades away from a living Tasmanian tiger. Even if we can bring the Tasmanian tiger back, should we? The ethical debate around de-extinction is complex. On one hand, we have a chance to correct a historical wrong. Humans were largely responsible for the extinction of the Tasmanian tiger through hunting and habitat destruction. But on the other hand, should we interfere with nature? Could reviving extinct species disrupt current ecosystems or divert resources from protecting endangered species? These questions highlight the moral dilemmas surrounding de-extinction. If successful, the reintroduction of the Tasmanian tiger could have significant ecological benefits. As a top predator, it could help regulate prey populations, particularly invasive species that have thrived in its absence. Bringing back the thylacine might also shed light on evolutionary processes, providing new insights into how species adapt to changing environments. Additionally, the technology developed for de-extinction could help save species on the brink of extinction today, offering a new tool for conservation. But the risks cannot be ignored. Reintroducing an extinct predator into modern ecosystems might have unforeseen consequences. The environment has changed since the Tasmanian tiger last roamed. Could it adapt to today's altered landscapes? Or would its reintroduction cause more harm than good? And then, there's the challenge of raising a sustainable population. A single cloned individual would not be enough. Genetic diversity would be essential to avoid inbreeding and ensure long-term survival. The possibility of bringing back the Tasmanian tiger sparks the imagination. While the path is fraught with scientific and ethical challenges, the idea of reviving a species once lost to time offers a glimpse into the future of conservation and genetic engineering. Whether or not we should pursue de-extinction, the efforts to bring back the thylacine are already changing how we think about wildlife conservation and our responsibility to the species we have driven to extinction. The question remains, could we bring the Tasmanian tiger back from extinction? And more importantly, should we?